Hey everyone, friends, Weiler here. Today I'll show you what to do if your relationship status isn't showing up on your Facebook account. Go to your account, click the About button, and select Add Relationship Status. Got it? Here you need to choose your privacy setting. Mine is currently set to public, meaning everyone on Facebook can see it. You might have it set to private. If you only want friends to see it, you can select Friends or Friends of Friends. There you go. But I have mine set to public. Moving on. If that doesn't work, go to your profile settings and privacy and the privacy center. These are the standard privacy settings. Select the first option in the account center. Here are the audience settings. This is where your profile information is. And this is where you'll find your relationship information. Yep, you can also choose to make it public here. That's it. This has been Weiler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone. Oh, one more thing. There are some requirements for relationship statuses. Both linked accounts must be at least 30 days old and you must be over 18. That's all. Weiler signing off. Bye everyone.